Hi there, I'm Kylie of Kylie M Interiors, online paint color expert and e-design consultant. Today we're going to look at Benjamin Moore White Down. White Down is at heart a creamy paint color. Now I do get a lot of my online color consulting clients saying that they love cream, but they don't like yellow undertones, which I always find funny because cream is yellow. It's just yellow with a neutral base added to calm it down. And White Down is one of the most calm creams out there. Once you add a little bit more neutral to this, you're almost getting more into the tan, grayish, that kind of range, whereas White Down still holds a little bit of that creamy base in it. Now, if you have a north-facing room, or say you've got east-facing light and you're finding a little flat, a little bit cold, White Down can be a really nice balance. It will lose some of its warmth, but it still keeps a little bit of a passive warmth underneath it. If you have a south-facing room or a room with nice hot afternoon western light, it's going to lean warmer, it's going to go creamier and a little bit more yellow. But I find that with its neutral base, it still doesn't get to be kind of obnoxiously yellow. Now when it comes to LRV, White Down is sitting at 77, so it's in the off-white range. LRV is light reflectance value, and it's a number that every paint color has, and it's on a scale from 0 to 100. 0 is black, 100 is white. So that number tells you how light or dark a paint color is. So at 77, definitely right in the middle of the off-white range, which means that if you have a super bright room, it's going to wash out. You're going to lose a lot of it. So if I'm going to partner it with white in a bright room, I'm going to want a clean white, something like this here, which happens to be bare ultra pure white. But generally speaking, White Down is going to appreciate a softer, warmer white. Let's look at White Dove. Super popular white, one of my top faves. So you can see how pretty and soft that is. There isn't a huge difference in LRV. White Dove's around, I'm going to say 84, 85, but still you'd see a really pretty contrast. But even more, I love the slightly warmer look of Benjamin Moore Cloud White. Those really complement each other and give a soft, kind of earthy, subtle look to it. Now let's compare White Down to a few other colors, just so you can see what else is out there. I've got creamy. I love creamy. I painted a whole bunch of rooms in our last house creamy, north facing, south facing, and it acted very well. So if you're finding White Down is maybe just a little bit too muted and you actually want a little bit more warmth, creamy could do the trick for you, as it has a little bit less of a neutral base, so the cream comes up a little bit more. This could work well if you have a south-facing room, or sorry, I meant a north-facing room. And you could also darken creamy by 25% to get a little bit more body out of it. That's what I did in our last house for a few rooms, just to play around with it, and I loved it just as much. Let's also look at Dover White, Sherwin-Williams. If you find White Down just a little bit heavy, a little bit muted, Dover White is getting closer to the white range, still an off-white, but it's cleaner, so you can see the yellow a bit more. But I'm also using it to show you how soft and pretty and passive White Down is. So there you have it. I hope you'll visit me on my website, www.kylieminteriors.ca. I have over 300 articles, paint color reviews, and affordable update ideas for your home. So please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.